Policymaking is hard, and we've seen that the government generally prefers the status quo, right? In other words, it's just hard to make laws and change things, right? So, how do we ultimately end up with change? How does new policy get made? How do policies shift? And one political scientist, John Kingdon, proposes that policymaking occurs when three streams cross. His word is aligned. And these three streams are the problem stream, the policy stream, and the political stream. And what that basically means is we have to have a problem. If we don't have a problem, no one's going to make policy. We have to have an actual solution to the problem. We have to have a policy to make. And we have to have the political will to do it. So if all three of those things are in place, we might get something done. So this arguably is why we don't have much in the way of environmental policy comprehensively addressing climate change, because most people acknowledge this is a problem, and there is seemingly some political will to solve the problem, at least when President Biden was in the White House and both chambers of Congress were controlled by Democrats. However, the policy stream, the solution may not have totally been there. There wasn't necessarily agreement on how we solve the problem. And there were many proposals, and ultimately there was not necessarily a comprehensive proposal that then had the political will to get things done. So we can see that all three of those streams need to align in order to have policy made and to change the status quo.